Of course, with each successive row, this becomes a little bulkier. But what you need to do with this bottom row is just kind of roll it up a little, so that when you're feeding it through, it kind of fits in through there. We will take out that first pin, and start to sew. The first row of horizontal sashing is done. Blocks are all the same size. I don't know how I end up with this, but this side is almost like a ½ inch shorter. This side's all lined up. Just don't know how that happens, but actually this still did not line up. Much as I tried to pull that over, so that's where it is. This block must have been a little bit smaller. But when it's all said and done, she's not going to notice. So now we're on to do the third row to the second row. Doing the same process, we'll be pinning third row to this back sashing, then flipping it over and sewing this. It obviously gets bulkier as you go along. So the key is like rolling even the outside one and the inside one as you're putting it through your sewing machine. So moving on to the next strip. Okay, horizontal sashing is done. So you can see all those other pinwheels in here. Much better now that it's all sewn. So it's a really cool pattern, and it was really, the centerpiece is certainly very quick and easy to put together. The borders I'm dreading because I need to free motion quilt them, but I did it on this one, as I probably showed you before. You know, we don't want to look too closely on the back, and actually I can use a different color bobbin thread. I could use a red bobbin thread on that, but you don't see it on the top. So you know it's quilted, and that's all that matters. No one looks at the back. I did use the blue on that, and that's what I was thinking, that the blue sashing I'll probably do on here to connect the border, so it'll all be the same color. Or I could do a red. Actually, I probably should do red so that it is edged in red. Yeah, I do need to do that. I need to use red. Okay, so that's that. So this is what I've got to do to the borders, and I'm not really looking forward to it. But I want to get this done. So I'm happy with what I've got so far.